The ultimate burger. Brisket is my favorite cut to use for hamburgers because it has that perfect mixture of juicy, tasty meat with a little bit of that wonderful richness mixed in. I spread the brisket out in the bowl so I can get it ready for my vegetable power punch. A little bit of carrots, celery, and just a hint of onion. Peel the carrot. Trim the ends off the celery. Peel that little red onion. You want to use a little one. And then I want to put all this in the food processor, grind it up, and make a paste. So I just give it a quick chop, just so that they all blend up. And just give it a nice zap. I put the vegetables in the food processor together to grind them up so that after I cook them down into a nice, tasty veggie paste with just a touch of canola oil, they're small enough, pasty and tasty and caramelized, and sort of provide that natural vegetable body to the burger. So I want to get the pan for the vegetables nice and hot, and while I'm over here, why not turn on that griddle so we can cook our burgers? So drop this mix in. Pinch of salt to start drawing out the water and the liquids. So what about the brisket itself? So just some salt to season the meat directly. Now, I like a little moisture, a little security policy, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. So I mixed that mayonnaise in with the beef, so it's all integrated. But then I spread the meat out again. It's nice to have that surface area, because everything's gonna be easier to mix. Don't worry if the vegetables get a little bit brown. You kind of want that roasted caramelly effect. Okay, so I'll turn that out onto a plate just to diffuse a little bit of the heat from the pan. Now I need something other than the mayonnaise and the vegetables that will be the glue that will hold my hamburgers together. Why not a little breadcrumb? A 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs right in there, and then just add those vegetables right in. Give this a stir. Work those vegetables in there. So I'll just form a patty or two. And when you're at home, you can form those patties as big as you please. 1/4 pounders, 1/2 pounders. I'm going somewhere in that vicinity right now. So form a couple of these. No need to overwork the meat, just press it together. It's nice to keep a hamburger fairly thick and a little airy. And then I drop these right on the griddle. I can't make a burger without cheese. And I love good old American cheddar. And the most important part of the hamburger, the bun. I like one with an insane amount of sesame seeds. So once I've cooked them on their first side, give them a nice flip on their second side. Now, some people like to melt their cheese under the broiler. I like to let the cheese just gradually melt as the second side of the hamburger cooks. So it'll melt down on the griddle and maybe create those little crusty bits of cheese we love so much. My burgers, I've cooked them nice and medium rare, but I've shut off the griddle, so they're just kind of hanging out there resting like a really good steak. So I take that bun that I just left toasting, just lightly. You hear that sound? That's the sound of butter scraping on perfectly toasted bread. That's good stuff.